Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and this is June the 6th, 2024, and I have a package from Furls. Now, it's only one hook. I decided to go ahead and do the one hook because, well, the hook that I ordered, it's going to take it a while to get here. It's going to take it at least a month. So instead of holding on to this and just waiting to do the hook collection then, I decided to go ahead and do this one now. Okay? Okay, good. Okay. Supposedly, let's see if I can get it open. Okay. It's just one hook. I know that. Cancer, Streamline, Zodiac, Crochet hooks, 5.5 millimeter. Okay. I probably only get one of these. I wasn't too crazy about what they look like. Oh no, I take spells. Let's see. Box away. Let's see. Open the other end. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Change my mind. This is pretty. Oh goodness. Oh, I'm a sucker for purple and for indigo. That's clear down there. This is really pretty. Wow. Well, now they're going to be releasing the rest of the Zodiacs before the year is out. They're supposedly stopping the Galaxy set. So if they're stopping something, that means they're gonna put something in its place. So curious to see what that's gonna be. I'm putting this back in the box because my pouches, I'm out of room. So it'll go in the box where the last one went. It's in the box. Toodles.